Hi, my name is Brandon, and today in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about Amiclear before you actually buy this product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it is extremely important that you watch this video until the end. The first thing you need to know is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy it, because this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description. I'm here to talk about my experience and help you to know if Amiclear works. A lot of people in the United States have diabetes, and some of them are undiagnosed. Diabetes is a disease caused by insufficient production or poor absorption of insulin, a hormone that regulates blood glucose and provides energy for the body. The main cause of diabetes is poor diet, especially excessive consumption of sugary industrialized foods, and lack of physical exercise. Amiclear has helped thousands of people with safely control their blood sugar quickly, easily, and at home there is a lot of people who are happy with the results. The blood sugar becomes stable and people get more energy. Amiclear comes with a 100 money-back guarantee, a full 60 days from your original purchase, and if you are not completely satisfied with the product or your results, within the first 60 days you can request your money back by sending an email and we will gladly give you a full refund within 48 hours. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Amiclear from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Amiclear actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.